This is a public service announcement for all Apple Watch users. Brace yourselves and buckle up, because Apple just completely wrecked your usage habits and muscle memory by fundamentally changing the 3 or 4 most important elements of the user interface. Oh, and did I mention that you can't currently downgrade without sending your watch to Apple? If you're curious to see what your reaction to these changes might be like, here's a reenactment of my reaction from when I upgraded to WatchOS 10 beta. WatchOS 10, what do we got? Start here. Huh? Oh, this is going to be interesting. I haven't seen a tutorial in a long time. Okay, so swipe up for widgets. Oh, okay, that's cool. Use digital crown to get widgets. Oh, okay. Side button for... Uh-oh. Side button for control center. That's gonna take some getting used to. Yeah, side button, okay, all right. And then double press the digital crown to switch apps. Oh, that kind of reminds me of the old iPhone with the home button days. That shouldn't be that bad. But, it's not as quick. Okay, well, that's gonna be interesting.
A few moments later.
Yeah. Nope, that's not control center. It's widgets. Okay. That's gonna be really annoying. That's okay. I can see how that's gonna be a pain. Oh no, that's not switcher. That's not the app switcher. Got to double click. Oh, that's kind of clunky. I don't like that. That I didn't think that was gonna be a pain in the butt, but that's kind of annoying. All right, fine. I guess I'm gonna have to get used to this. This is gonna suck.
Later.
No, that's not control center. That's widgets. Oh no! Why'd they do that? I can't turn on the flashlight with my nose. How am I supposed to control center? Really? Okay, fine. After being programmed for years to do things a certain way, you can imagine how changing every single one of those primary functions can affect your daily habits more than you think. You see, what used to be a swipe up for Control Center now brings up widgets instead. A click of the side button that allowed you to switch apps now brings up Control Center instead. To switch apps now requires a double click of the digital crown instead of a single press of the side button. Maybe you have multiple watch faces, each serving a different purpose. Say you have a fancy watch face for events, an infographic one for daily use, and a third one for workouts. You used to be able to swipe quickly between them. Now, you have to tap and hold to edit, then swipe to the one you want and tap it to select. A single swipe in less than a second has now turned into multiple seconds taken up over multiple taps and swipes. Those features happen to be the most frequently used interface elements on every Apple Watch, and we've gotten used to them that way for at least the past 7 years. That's a long time to get people used to something and then change those habits in an instant with a single software update. So, should you upgrade or hold off? If you like the new features, are okay with the new interface, or you just don't care at all, then sure, go ahead, have fun. Just brace yourself if Apple changes everything again. However, if you are a long-time user, have very specific usage habits or features that you like as is, hold off a bit longer if you can. Maybe we can prompt some change if we all pull together and submit feedback to Apple. This is why I thought it was important to make this video as a public service announcement to all Apple Watch users. And I'm kindly asking that you please share this video with everyone you know. I still have plenty of things to share about WatchOS 10 in future unexpected uploads, so if you want to be notified when that happens, get subscribed to the channel and don't miss out. Things like my thoughts on the new changes, how I managed to adapt to it reluctantly, and some things I'd like to see done differently, improved, brought back, or added. Thanks for watching, and always remember to expect the unexpected. Oh, I hope that was good. I still didn't stop recording yet. Now I'm going to put your voice in there. Get the bell on.